Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to recover or see the deleted chats on Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start. So open your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat application, tap on profile button right here. After tapping on profile button, so press on setting button and find my data. So here we go. Tap on it. So it needs a verification. Here you have to verify your identity. So write your phone number here on which your Snapchat account is working, and first of all select your country and then write the phone number on which your Snapchat application is working. After entering your phone number, press on verify. Then you have to solve a little puzzle. So they are asking for a B. So here is B, and here, here, and here. Oh, one more, and here. Dun dun dun. So verification is completed. So press on next. And now you have to select which thing you want to recover. After that, confirm your email. On this email, Snapchat will send you a mail with your required data. So here we go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.